Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself loving a specific color in an image, maybe on a logo, a piece of artwork, or even a sunset photo, but you just can't figure out what that exact color is, you're in the right place. In this quick and super straightforward tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to find the hex color code of any image using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pinpoint any color you want and use it in your own designs with confidence. So grab your computer and let's dive in. First things first, head over to Canva. If you've never used it before, just type Canva, come into your browser and log in or create an account. It's free and super intuitive to navigate. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button, usually at the top right of the dashboard. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll be choosing a custom size for your design, and in this case, type in 100 by 50 pixels. This might seem small, but the great thing about this size is it keeps your workspace focused just on the color you want to sample without any distractions. Enter those numbers, click the Create New Design button, and Canva will open up a fresh, blank design for you. Now it's time to bring in your image. On the left, you'll see the Uploads tab. Click there, then drag and drop your image, or use the Upload button to select it from your computer. Once your image is in Canva, just click on it to add it to your blank canvas. You can resize or reposition it so that the color you want to pick is front and center. Make it easy on yourself. Here comes the magic moment. If you're following along to find a specific color for something in your own design, let's say changing the background of a shape or updating the color of some text, simply click on the element in your design that you want to change. You'll see a color tile pop up in the toolbar at the top left. That's your gateway to all things color. Click that color tile and then look for the Add a New Color option, usually marked with a little plus sign. When you click this, a rainbow of color options appears, but here's what you want. Right beside the hex code box, there's a tiny eyedropper tool, also known as the color picker. Go ahead and click that. Now your cursor will transform into a color sampler. Carefully hover over the image on your canvas and click exactly where you see the color you want to copy. This might take a moment. If you're not sure, just pause and make sure your cursor is right on the shade you're after. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. You can repeat this as many times as you need. Once you click the element you selected, maybe it's a shape, maybe it's some text, will instantly change to match the color you picked from the image. And right next to the color palette, you'll see the hex color code appear. This little 6-digit code is now yours to copy and use anywhere you want, from web design to branding, or even sharing with a friend who loves that color as much as you do. That's it. It's a simple but super effective trick, and once you know it, you'll find endless uses for it in Canva and beyond. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Got any questions, or is there something else you're curious about in Canva? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.